there, kids. This is an abiotic item because it does not have any organs or tissue and it has no blood in it. This is onion weed. This is an autotroph because it feeds itself by using photosynthesis. Here, look at it. That's what we call biodiversity. You see the organism eating that hay? Oh, look, in spite of this, that's a jackalope. Look at he's passing away. What a beautiful creature. Look at there. You see a group of humans. They are biotic. They breathe air. They have tissue and they have organs. This is an example of commensalism. Have you seen the bird eating all this off of the hippo's back? This is an example of commensalism because they're not harming each other or fighting each other.
Hey kids, I'm a wildlife officer, and this is an example of conservation because it has trees and rivers. Trespasser! Okay, this is an example of a decomposer. These termites right here are decomposing this limb. This is an example of demography because it has birth, death, and disease. This is the example of food chain because the bird eats the plant. And then the fox eats the bird. And then the tiger eats the fox. The example of habitat because of deer in their natural environment.
This is a herbivore. It is an only plant-eating animal. It eats no meat and only plants. This lion is a heterotrophic organism because it eats other animals for nourishment. This is an example of mutualism because both animals help each other and benefit in some way. Example of niche because the beaver plays a role in cutting down the trees and using them to build dams and rivers. That is an omnivore over there eating the plants off of the tree, and he also eats meat. And that's an example of parasitism.
This is a leech on the host's arm, and it obtains food at the expense of the host's health. This is an example of a population. Oh, it's a bunch of monkeys that want to live in the same area at the same time. Oh God!
This is a goat feeding on grass. Here comes the lion. This is called predator-prey relationship. This is the lion that eats the goat for food.
Here comes a buzzard. This feeds on dead animals. It's called a scavenger.
This is called symbiosis. This is the relationship between one and another species. As you can see here, the parent bear is feeding the little bear.